drone, drone, drone,
droning, droned, drones.
Noun. 1.
Stingless male bee in a colony of social bees, especially honeybees, whose sole function is to mate with the queen.
2.
An unchanging intonation.
3.
Someone who takes more time than necessary. Someone who lags behind.
Verb.
1.
Make a monotonous low dull sound.
2.
Talk in a monotonous voice.
Listen and practice.
Above him an invisible plane droned through the night sky. Above him an invisible plane droned through the night sky. I hear the drone of an airplane as it banks across the bay. I hear the drone of an airplane as it banks across the bay. Chambers' voice droned, maddening as an insect around his head. Chambers' voice droned, maddening as an insect around his head.
drone.